Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this is a live price prediction of Dogecoin. What's going on in upcoming days, and what's my prediction? What we predict this today, my friend, and this video. So kindly don't skip any second. If you are a holder of Dogecoin, then don't skip any second. Okay, my friends, come to the point. Dogecoin is completely starting moving off this time. Please, before I start the video, I request you to subscribe ABS channel. This is also very important. My friend, you can see this time the highest point touched this line, and the second one, my friend, you can see here the lowest point has touched. So my friend, if we predict this, you can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. Because here in this circulation they starting moving off like a rocket, and here is no one circulation. You can see here just zigzag after a jump fails, and after a fails jump. In this circulation or all crypto currencies, my friend, all crypto coins is moving, but definitely, my friends, Dogecoin is this time. You can see here they cross the resistance line. The resistance line is here, and after this, my friends, they take a very long jump. So I hope in upcoming days they also move up. The good time is coming soon. Kindly wait and hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. Please like and subscribe.